Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about sine 2a equals to 2 sine a cosine a. So we have sine 4x, cosine 4x. So that is represent about capital A. To do about this one, we need to have about number 2. So I will put number 2 over 2 because this one you got about number 1. So we have 2 cosine 4x, sine 4x. So we can change into sine AX because we have number 2 multiplied by number 4. Now, I will put 1 over 2 go outside. Next, we have the second formula in here. That is about sine A, sine B equals to 1 over 2 cosine of A minus B minus cosine of A plus B. So we have this one multiplied by this one in here, and then we apply this formula. So we will have like this. That is about 1 over 2 cosine of AX minus 2x. You got about 6x minus cosine of AX plus 2x. You got about 10x. Then we multiply by cosine x in here. So 1 over 2, 1 over 2, we have 1 over 4. Next, cosine x multiplied by cosine 6x and cosine 10x. Now, we have the last formula in here. We have cosine A cosine B equal to 1 over 2 cosine A plus B plus cosine of A minus B. Now we can apply the formula for this one and this one. So for this one, we will have about 1 over 2, and we have cosine of s plus 6s from here, and that's about 7s plus cosine of s minus 6s. You got about negative 5s. Now we can do similar for this one. Now we have 1 over 2, 1 over 2. We can do about factorization. So we know that we have the formula for this one and this one. Cosine of negative AS equal to cosine AS. So in this situation, we have cosine 5s. Because we have the negative sign here, we can change the sign of this one and this one. So we have negative cosine 11x and negative cosine 9x. So 1 over 2 and 1 over 4, we have 1 over 8. And now we have the final answer. The integration of cosine 7x, we have 1 over 7 sine 7x. The integration of cosine 5x, we have 1 over 5 sine 5x. The integration of cosine 11x, we have 1 over 11 sine of 11x, and so on in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.